Hello guys, welcome back to Vworks Design Creatives, and today I want to take you through 3 simple steps that you can use to download and upgrade to Windows 11. Download and upgrade Windows 11. Very simple steps. I will show you the steps that you will need to download and install Windows 11 from your current Windows in use. So see this. The first step is I have just written them down in my office in my Word document. So the first step is to download Windows 11 ISO file. To get this file, you need to copy this and paste it in your browser. Paste it in your browser so that you can download Windows 11. So I will paste it here in that tab and click enter, and I will automatically be redirected to my download page. So this is the ISO file, Windows 11 10 22,000.5. So I will need to download this. I had already started the download, that's why I'm told they have an incomplete transfer, and if I want to resume to the download, I will continue to resume to the download. So here you can see that the file has 4.4 GB. So I would advise you, because this is a huge file, you will need to be in a place where there is Wi-Fi. Don't dare use your bundles. They will be depleted unless you have more than enough bundles. But if you are in a place where there is free Wi-Fi, give yourself some patience and download this file. So to download, you'll just click on download. Ignore all this, but continue download, and then the download will continue taking place. And because this is a huge file, you will have to wait for some time until the download is completed. So just leave it that way until you take around 1 hour or so for the download to be done. So for me, I have already done the download, so I won't need this file again, but I wanted you to see the process. So when the download is completed, you can save your download anywhere. You can take your download to your downloads, you can take it to your Explorer, or you can take it to your documents, anywhere of your choice. I decided to keep it in my my downloads. It's in my downloads. Here it is. This is the file that you will get after the download. This file is what you will get after the download is complete. And if you click on it, you can see it is like you can see it is almost a complete one. But here we are not yet done. So the next step we will take, let me minimize this. The next step we will take is to download something we call Appraissell. So this is the link. Remember, I will provide this link down in my description. I will provide the steps so that you can follow the steps without difficulty. So copy this and paste it in your browser. Copy that and paste it in your browser. Just come here and paste it in your browser, and then Appraissell will appear here. This is a small file that you will not need to wait for any long time. You just click on download and it downloads immediately. The download takes place. So, and then this file, you can save it in the same folder that you saved your Windows file. So I won't save this because I have already saved this in my file. So after that, after you are done with that, you will need to go to step 3. In step 3, you will be required to download Rufus. Rufus will help you make your flash bootable. Rufus will help you make your flash bootable, and this flash is what will help you to upgrade to Windows 11. So from there you can download Rufus. Copy that link and go to your website, and then paste it in that tab. You will see Rufus. So in Rufus you will be able to create bootable USB drives this easy way. So you can see here it has not picked the flash that I have inserted. Remember, your flash must be 8 GB and above. My flash is 16 GB, so it hasn't picked. But what you do, don't bother yourself starting here. Come down here and download Rufus 3.14. Download Rufus 3.14. After the download, install Rufus. So for me, I had already downloaded Rufus. Rufus. You can see here I have Rufus with me. So I will click on it, and then I will open it. Then this is what comes up. You can see here Rufus has picked my 16 GB flash drive. So my 16 GB flash drive, I will need in my 16 GB flash drive, this is okay. You want to boot selection is disk or ISO image. Select this one, then here click on this select. When you click on select, it will take you to your file explorer. So here you will need to go to your downloads. Remember, we want to put our file in our flash. So here you can go to your to where you have saved your file. So I want to take us to, I have my file is in downloads. Let me see where downloads are. Downloads, that's where my files are. So here I want to pick this one. This is the one that I want to select. So click on open, and then it will definitely be saved or pasted here. You can see the selection file is here. So after that, what you do, you come here and click on start. Click here, and when you click on start, it will give you a warning that all data on that device will be deleted. So because I had already saved mine, so I won't continue with this operation. I had already saved mine, so I won't continue. But for you, you will click on OK and continue from there for a few 5 or 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and then it will be done. So after it is done, you will click on close. So after that, after you're done with that, remember your flash will be looking like this. My flash is 16 GB, so 10.4 GB free. Already around 4 GB are used. Remember, the file was around 4.4 GB. So you will come here and open this file. When you open this file, you will go to sources. Remember, we downloaded Appraissell, but here we still have Appraissell. Where is it? Not that one. We still have it here. So we need to change this to what we downloaded. We need to change this this one to what we actually downloaded. So here I will go to I will need to open a new file explorer. Let me open a new file explorer. I will need a new files explorer. So I downloaded my file here. So let me see. This is my appraisals that I downloaded. I will need to copy this. To this file here. So I will bring it here. So let me bring it there, see what happens. So we will need to replace the original file that was downloaded with ISO with Windows 11 ISO image file. So I'll click on replace this file. Click on that, and then the file will be replaced. After the file is replaced, you go back, you still in your flash drive, and click on setup. When you click on setup, installation process will start immediately. But before you do all that, you may wonder if your files and everything that is in your computer will be saved. Nothing will be destroyed, your files, your documents, your images, and all that. So this is the next step that the installation setup will take you to. So click on that, and I don't need any updates right now, though it is the recommended one. Updates, you will need to do them in a later time. So click on next. When you click on next, your PC will be checking, the wizard will be checking on your PC and all that, check whether the compatibility and all that and the requirements are okay. So from there, you will be required to agree or accept to the terms and conditions of the license agreement. So you click on next. The PC will be shutting on off until your installation will be complete. This will take you around another 1 hour. You can see here the installation is ready to install, and then you won't be able to use your PC during installation. So save and close files before you begin. Before you begin, if you have any open files, you will need to save them so that you don't lose your, like for example, if I had not saved this one, I will need to save it so that I won't lose it. So if I click on install, the process will be easy, very simple, and then the installation will take place, and you will upgrade to Windows 11. So thank you so much. I won't continue with installation because I have already installed mine. So I will close this. I will not go on. Yes, I want to quit. So I won't go on, and then after the installation, the windows will change. Remember, Windows 10 was here, the Windows logo was here. Now it has come to this point. Remember, when we tried to search, it used to be somewhere here. We used to have a search bar here in Windows 11. In Windows 10, sorry, we used to have a search bar here, but this time around, Windows 11 search bar is up here. So there's so much enhancements in Windows 11. So thank you so much for this view. If you find the video was of great help, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if the video was of great help to you, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will be able to connect to you in my next tutorial. So thank you so much for the view, and have a nice time, and let's meet in our next tutorial. See ya.